Good day all guys! So sa mga nagtatanong kung saan kami nagpunta, so dito lang yan sa Boogie Bounce Manila located here sa Blue Bay. So malapit lang to from us, Pasay. It is front of Double Dragon Mall. So we are so excited guys kasi naman sobrang lawak netong playground na to. This is 1 hectare playground guys na maraming iba't ibang inflatables na talagang mag-i-enjoy kayo kahit na adult pa. For today, it's kind of special kasi merong event which is for Halloween. So may pa-party and mga naka-costume mga kids. Pala yung place kung saan pwede magstay sa loob. Meron na rin mga bilihan dyan ng drinks. Itong pinakamalaking slides, one of their highlights. And guys, kita mo naman kahit mga adult is enjoy na enjoy talagang maglaro. And of course, yung mga kids, sobrang happy talaga yung mga yan. So, dyan yung event for the Halloween party. And here guys, ayan, yung mga kids nag-parade, pero kami hindi na. Kasi naglaro na agad kami guys. So, dyan sa malaking inflatable na yan, hindi ako nakapag-video kasi akala ko mababasa yung phone. Pero sobrang lap trip dyan, nakakaubos talaga ng energy. After namin doon, eto, dito naman kami sa may swimming pool area. Wow! So from nakakaubos ng lakas na obstacles dun sa inflatable na yon to this na sobrang relaxing naman kami. Since dito tamang tampisaw lang and then watching sa mga kids. To tell you guys, hindi lang siya instant playground. Para na rin talaga kaming nag-outing. Na sobrang sulit kaya pati kaming matatanda talaga is nag-enjoy as in. Another inner child na naman ang na-heal. Kasi wala naman ganitong kalaking inflatable playground before. Guys, to tell you, affordable siya. Aside sa affordable, sobrang sulit and sobrang saya. So this is perfect for family, like may mga kids. Kasi ayun, mag-i-enjoy talaga sila. Barkada. Cause it was fun and trippings talaga. Guys, this is safe kasi every inflatable, meron talagang mga nagbabantay. So, sobrang saya cause makikita mo yung mga kids, ayun, enjoy talaga sila. And magagawa mo yung ganito, like magpaa, like connecting your energy to the nature, and magtatakbo guys. So, from there, ayan, dumadami na yung tao since galing silang parade and hindi kami nag-join. Since umaambon nga that time, announcing ng winner sa mga best in costume, like that. So, kami naman here, sinusulit namin yung place. So, tamang trippings kami here. Nagpakapiling bata talaga, which is sobrang saya naman. Takbuhan, talunan, and of course, tawanan. Ang sarap lang ng mga ganitong moments kahit once in a while lang. Sobrang nakaka-enjoy and nakaka-lighten ng energy. Yeah, ayan sila, pati mga bata, pinatulan sa laro. Tamang soccer kineme sila dyan. So, more laugh trip, more tawanan lang talaga yung pinaggagawa namin dito. And ito, isa pa, ito yung pinaka one of the highlights nilang inflatable. So, ito yung pinaka mataas na slides. So, ayan, since mataas nga siya, babale-balentong ka talaga. So, ayan, yung mga boys, sila yung nag-try dyan. Not sure kung pwede yung kids. I think pag maliit ata, bawal pa. Yon, mataas nga siya. And matarik siya, guys. So, ayan, as you can see, baliw-baliwan moments. Kaya, sobrang enjoy. After this vids, ipapakita ko sa inyo kung magkano yung nagastos namin. And guess what, guys? Sobrang affordable lang niya. Here, lahat ng inflatables, pinagpupuntahan namin. Naglalaro kami. Kahit padilim na. Kasi this place is until 7 p.m. guys. And this time, I think around 6 p.m. na siya. Dali-dali kami tumakbo papunta dun sa stage. Because we don't want to miss this bubble party. Dito guys, merong pa shower ng bubbles. For sure talaga na sobrang enjoy. O ayan, tuwan-tuwa na naman talaga ang mga adults. At syempre, pati na rin yung mga kids. So ayan, tamang takbuhan lahat dun sa area. So tamang sayaw-sayaw din since nakaka-alive yung music. Since party-party eme nga siya. So, ayan, as you can see, yung mga kids, sobrang saya niyan, guys. So, happy moments talaga. Kaya if you wanted to go here, don't miss this bubble party. Sobrang saya neto, guys. So, ayan, tamang laro ng bubble, sayaw-sayaw. And for sure, yung mga ganyan-ganyan, super bet talaga yan ng mga kiddos. So, this type of moments is perfect talaga for family bonding. nakakaubos ng energy sa sobrang daming activities na pwedeng gawin. Another fun and happy memories unlock na naman from us. Kaya if bet nyo magpunta dito, for sure mag-i-enjoy talaga kayo. Lalo na kung yung mga kasama ninyo is sobrang fun din talaga. Dahil madami kayong trippings na magagawa here. So for this bubble party, I think 3 songs ata yung natapos neto. And ayan, nagbanlaw na yung mga kids. And of course, since may time pa, naglaro ulit kami. So from here, sinusulit na lang namin yung remaining minutes. So ayan, for the laro-laro lang. Go! Kahit mga adults, ayan, panay-panay slides talaga. After here, ayun, yung mga kids nag-request ulit for the last time. Doon naman sa pool. Babalik kami doon sa may pool area. And by the way guys, dito kay Boogie Bounce Manila, meron silang common shower and maayos yung mga CR nila. And meron din palang mga locker guys. It's included but don't forget to bring your own padlock. Ayan, malapit na kaming umuwi dito guys. Sinusulit na lang namin yung time. Ang chill, kwentuhan. And of course, magbabounce na kami kasi natutomboots na. So thank you Boogie Bounce Manila for happy memories you gave to us. Sobrang enjoy kami and of course, lalong-lalo na yung mga kids. Pwede ninyong i-visit yung page nila to book online or you can do walk-ins. So, ayan yung entrance nila guys for the whole day or if you like 3 hours lang. So, after naming magbanlaw, ayan, diretso na agad kami sa... Since madaming nawalang energy sa amin, so mang-inasal kami kakain guys. So, sobrang saya dito guys. Visit na rin kayo here. So, thank you for watching.
I like me better when I'm with you.